Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn about Standard 3 English Grammar. Our today's topic is preposition. Lesson number 19, preposition, page number 59. Okay, so let's start. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with some other word or words in a sentence. In a simple word, students, a preposition is a word that tells us about the relationship of one thing to another or the position of things. Okay? And one more thing. A preposition is word placed before a noun or a pronoun. Okay? So let's see some example. Rohina is talking to her friend. In this sentence, to is a preposition. To shows the relationship between Rohina and her friend. Okay. Now the second one. The cat is looking at the milk in the bowl. You can see at and in. These two words are prepositions. At shows the relationship between the cat and the milk, or in shows the relationship between the milk and the bowl. Milk in the bowl. So in shows the relationship between milk and the bowl. Now the next. Anil is waiting for his turn. In this sentence, for is a preposition. It shows that the relationship between Anil and his turn. Okay? Now the next. The children is running around the table. You can see your students. The children is running around the table. So around shows the relationship between the children and the table. Okay? Now look at the positions highlighted in the passage below. Shayla was playing with her friend. She hit the ball with her bat. The ball darted towards a window. Rahul ran after the ball to catch it, but it hit the window pane and the glass broke into several pieces. So in this passage, the word which shows, you can see, with, after, into, towards, these all words are prepositions. Okay, so we have one exercise here. Circle the position in the following sentence. First of all, let's see which are the prepositions. You can see here, student, this is the preposition list. Which are the preposition? You can see common example of preposition here. With, at, from, into, during, including, until, against, among, throughout, of, to, in, for, on, by, despite, towards, upon, concerning, about, like, through, over, before, between, after, since, without, under, within, along, following, across, behind, beyond, plus, except, but, up, out, around, down, off, above, near, in spite of, regarding, with regard to, and because of. These all are the prepositions, students. Okay. Now let's see the exercise. Circle the prepositions in the following sentence. First sentence. A little girl is sitting under a tree. Which word is a preposition in this sentence? Preposition in this sentence, students? Yes, it is under. A little girl is sitting under a tree. Under word is shows us position of a girl. Okay. Now the next. The garden belongs to Radhika. In this sentence, to is a preposition. It shows us relationship between garden and Radhika. Now the next. My friend was waiting near the canteen. Now in this sentence, which word is preposition? It's a near. Okay. It shows us position. My friend was waiting near the canteen. Now the fourth. The gym is closed at night. So which is the preposition in this sentence? It's a at. Okay students. Now rest of all sentence you have to do by yourself as a homework. Okay students, thank you.